Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and this is the giveaway video announcement where we announce the winner. Announcement video where we announce the winner, and the winner of all the people that commented is none other than Jean-Christophe Boies. However you pronounce your last name. Congratulations, Jean. Jean? It's probably Jean. I'm going to call you Jean. And Jean says, what a nice dummy. I want it. Well, looks like you're going to get it. Congratulations. You have won this DumPro right here. Looks like it's made of gold. You saw the giveaway video. You know what you're getting. That's what you're getting. Not the drone, just to be clear, just the DumPro. And I'm going to send it to you. So what you need to do is contact me. Adam at RCwithAdam.com is my email address. Send me an email, and in the subject line, put like DumPro giveaway, and say, hey, my name is your name, and I'm the one who won. And then we're going to go through a verification process to make sure that that's really you who is emailing me, so scammers just don't even bother. And then once we do that, we'll get the shipping and stuff figured out, and hopefully get this sent off to you. Now, what I like to do with my giveaways is have a backup winner. The backup winner will be the next person in line to win this prize if the first winner does not contact me within 1 week. So John, contact me within 1 week of the posting of this video. Otherwise, the prize will go to TK. And I'm pretty sure I know how to pronounce that name, TK. TK says, that's a great idea, Adam. Thanks, TK. Thanks everybody for commenting, and really get in on these giveaways that I've been doing, because I really don't have a whole lot of people that are jumping in on this, so your chances of winning are actually super great. So get in on that before it gets too crazy and the channel blows up and there's like 500 people commenting or more, because right now it's like less than 100, which means you have a better than 1 in 100 chance of winning whatever it is that I'm giving away. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you on the next one. Watch out.
We get bars in our goggles that show.
If you want it, then you should come and get it. If you want it, then you... That's not how the song goes. Anyway, congratulations.